Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Do you love oranges and apples and things that grow on trees that can get really, really tall, and you wish you knew how to get that fruit from the top of the trees? I'm going to show you how. It's called a fruit picker. This is a telescoping fruit picker that my wife Lisa is going to demonstrate how to get it. And it's really, really easy. These things telescope out to 12 feet. Some go all the way to 18 feet. And they have these little hooks right on the end. And you snag the fruit with those little hooks. And then you pull it. And it falls into that little basket. And then you just bring it down to the ground. It really is easy. And this is how we get to our tree, which is about 15 feet off the ground by the time you get to the very, very top. So there are links in the comments section to have this shipped directly to your house. So check those links out. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me what kind of fruit you're going to go harvesting with this fruit picker. That's all the time we have for now. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying good luck with your landscape project.